The market is crashing, everybody is fearful. We were all promised an alt season. Is now the time to flip bearish and start to sell all of your crypto? What is up, guys? My name is Lamar from the Real World Asset Watchlist. In today's video, I'm going to take you through exactly why none of you should be selling your crypto at this point of the bull market. Now, before we do start, make sure you are in the now with all of the crypto updates that we do on this channel. Follow all of our socials, pause the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave us a comment to let us know how you're feeling about the market today. Do it right now. Alrighty, guys, so the crypto market has seen better days. It has definitely seen better days, but it's all about perspective. There's a lot of coins that we've covered on the channel today that are still up from the bear market lows. The market is super fearful right now. However, we must remember where we have come from in the depths of the bear market. Bitcoin today is at 91k. ETH is at 3k. We've got two important charts that I'm going to show all of you guys at the end of the video. So make sure you are staying until the end, because it's definitely going to change your mind on whether or not you should be buying or selling. Now, we'll start off on CoinGlass. Look at the total liquidations. This is great, as it means that a lot of these new entrants, people trying to front run the market, people that are over leveraged in the market, have now been washed out. It's not great for all of you guys watching who maybe tried to catch that 104k pump and thought we're going into price discovery. However, it is good for a general market sentiment reset. You can see here over the past 12 hours, 148 million in ETH liquidations, 122 million in Bitcoin liquidations, 110 million in others. So pretty much all of the altcoins, guys. A lot of people are getting wrecked. You can see here on the hourly, people are still getting wrecked. Longs, 10 million. Longs on the 4 hour, 154 million. Shorts are still getting wrecked, guys. So the market makers are pushing the market in either direction. So that is why in this time of the market, it's sometimes better to hold spot and try your best not to be too greedy. Now, we needed this market sentiment reset, guys. 48 on the fear and greed index, according to CoinStats. I do believe that we've been in fear for a little bit longer than what this indicator does suggest here. However, we were in greed, we were in extreme greed when Bitcoin was at 100+K. Everybody was stacking up the longs. They were saying altcoin season now, new all-time highs, we're going to 250k. The market has now been humbled, guys. However, it is not a bad thing. Usually at these points in the market, it is the hardest for participants to pull the trigger. Who's watching the video right now who thinks, I'm not too sure if I should buy altcoins, maybe we're going lower? In the fear, it has historically been the best time to be buying your crypto. However, things like this will come out in the bearish times. Just in, JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon says Bitcoin's a Ponzi scheme. It has no intrinsic value. However, this time last week, even last month, everybody was saying how Bitcoin has to be a national reserve for many different countries. Bitcoin is the flight to safety. We must all hold Bitcoin. Major countries, major institutions adopting Bitcoin. That was the narrative when Bitcoin was pumping. When we are in the dump, guys, they don't want you to capitalize on the opportunity that is in front of you. Who thinks Bitcoin is a Ponzi scheme at this point? The best performing asset over the past decade. Is it a Ponzi scheme? I think not, guys. And look, we need to find out whether or not now is a good time to be buying altcoins, buying Ethereum, buying Bitcoin. People are hating on Ethereum now. Soon they're going to regret that they've been fading it, guys, because when you look at this multi-year trend, this multi-cycle trend, a trend that's been going on for nearly 10 years, ETH is at a buy level that historically has been an amazing entry for altcoin participants, guys. We're now finding a local bottom. Can we start to breach below this 2024 low, have a bear trap before our next eventual move up? Definitely. However, I wouldn't be putting too much hope into saying we must crash lower. All of these lower price targets of maybe 2k and below are going to get hit. Historically, when we do hit these areas of support, it can be the hardest areas to buy, but it usually is the best risk to reward ratio. And if you do want to check out some of the fibs, guys, ETH on a retest at a great entry. We're at the 1618, the 0382, which usually is a very big area of support. Is going to be 2.6k, nearly 2.7k, but we're now in between the 0618 and the 0382 for Ethereum. In my opinion, I do think a bottom could be coming very soon. Remember, we've got the inauguration in 7 days from the time of recording, guys. So we must not be getting too bearish at this time. And then when you want to go and check out the total 3, remember, we're here to look at our altcoins. We're here to figure out, should we be buying altcoins in general? Historically, when we have entered the median of the Gaussian in a bull market, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times before, it has been an amazing area of entry. We're now at that same area relative to the Gaussian. And if you want to look at some previous price data, look at the Bitcoin price after halvings. We're on track, guys. And what has happened after this point at around the 250-day post-halving time? We've had extreme blow-off top moves to come after. But do note, if you look, between 200 and 250 days, there has always been a shakeout. We're now in the middle of that shakeout. And one last chart for all of you guys to go and take a look at is going to be the total crypto market cap on the weekly. The total market cap as a whole, including everything, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, all of your top alts, total 3 others. It has now successfully retested the all-time high of 2021. And what did we previously say? At areas of support is usually a time where people do start to flip bearish and they just expect us to break down a new bear market to come into fruition. I don't think that's going to be the case. You guys can let me know if you think that's the case. But that's a quick video from the Real World Asset Watch List to all of you guys watching right now as to why I don't think now is a time to be turning bearish, panic selling your altcoins and leaving the market. We've got 7 days into a lot of bullish catalysts do come into the market. You guys let me know what your plan is for all of your altcoins, for your Ethereum, for your Bitcoin. If you made it this far, make sure you don't miss out on any other updates. Click that subscribe button, leave us a comment in the comment section to let us know how you feel. I've been Lamar from the Real World Asset Watch List. I'm gonna see you in the next one.